Good morning. I've been told I have to do some filming. All right, we're going to be going up this morning to do morning chores. And I'll take you along. Good morning, Miss Quella. Are you waiting to be fed? Yeah? Okay. I'm coming. There she is. Hey, girl. Okay. All right. Here's everybody. How you two doing? Duncan? The yearling lambs and Brody and his older son. Oh, Fergus, you left the water upright. Thank you. Fergus is usually good about knocking over water and making everything wet around here. But he's doing all right. All right. Good morning, Willow. And there's Rory. Rory. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? Good man. He's a good man. You knocked over your stuff. And you got a mess. And you guys got a mess in there too. And we had both areas where our bull calf is here. We had this was full up to almost up to the rafters with hay. And it is now empty after this winter. And we are down to, I don't know, probably about 50 bales, 30 bales. That's all we have left. And we'll make it. And there's our Miss Penelope, big pig girl. And all the ewes, and they're very want to be fed. You got hay? I know. We'll get you something. And then the chickens are in there. We're going to wait and let them out in a little bit. We got to get things organized first. All right, let me find you a place that I can put you to secure you off where you can watch everything. All right, things quiet down for a moment. Pick you back up. This will be for the ladies. They like to dirty up their water every now and then. I don't think they drank much last night. Go, guys. Get in here. Look out, little ones. Oh. Yeah, I figured you'd be thirsty. The mamas are getting much needed grain. Hey, I usually like to check to make sure there's no more eggs in there, because chickens like to lay them. But I think we're good. Okay. All right, everybody's quiet for the moment. Let's move this bucket out of the way. We'll get hay going for everybody. Let me take you on down to where the girls went. I didn't open it up because I had my hands full. They're down trying to get mineral already. I'm coming, hold on. I usually tank up first thing in the morning. Don't you jump up here, boy. It's not easy to do with one hand. There you go. Boomer, stop. They are going to town. All right, back up, finish up. I guess the girls are going to be out early today. Those two, they can be. Just can't let the lambs out. All right, I think Brody and the boys are ready to come out, maybe. Hey, Miss Quell. You guys finish your food? Okay. Want to come out? Come on. Come on, head out. Brody's looking rough. He's shedding. For some of the younger guys here, they're shedding a little bit too. Come on. I'll go down and get their mineral. All right, guineas. Oh my goodness. Birds coming out. One guinea. Spot was your girlfriend. I see some of them, they're already going up to get into the hay so they can lay eggs. They got perfect 8 bins in here, but they will not use them half the time. Right there. What's up? Hey ladies, what are you doing up there? And then our resident duck is in here with her eggs. I don't think you can see her. Dark. Ma'am. You notice we have a duck over in the corner. That's her nest over there. Then Mose is a chicken pen in the nest. That chicken wants to lay an egg in here. And then I believe we might have a chicken up there. All right, let's let Worry and the gang out. Worry, are you ready to come out? Hmm? Get this put back up. You ready? You ready, buddy? Okay, back up. Oh, you get a scratch? Get a scratch? Huh? Oh my goodness. That feel good? You ready? Okay, excuse you. Look out, come on, move. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. This was just a makeshift pen for him since we got him, just to kind of keep him separated so he doesn't get jammed by Fergus. Fergus is a lot bigger, even though he's a steer. They still rough house. Okay, you two ready to come out? Just a minute. Hold on a second, Ferg. You good? Okay, you good. Willow, come on, go. You don't need that hay. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Keep moving. Yeah, that's what I need you to make a mess of it. Come on. Lady. Rawr. Go. Come on. Come on. You're stubborn. Willow. Come on. That's Worry. Put it over here. No. Come on. Come on. Go out and go get some mineral. She says nope. Well, hey, well then you should have stayed in the pen. You got hay. Look. Throwing it right in there with your Go back in. Don't you dare. Come on. Don't you dare. Come on. Come on. Hip. Come on. Back up. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Outside. Get out of my barn. Oh my goodness, what scared you? That chicken scare you? Wow. Yeah, everybody's going to the mineral feeder. That's what they do first thing in the morning. Tank up on what they want. And then I got a good picture of Fergus's butt. Then they'll go ahead about their business. After maybe a little bit of headbutting and playing around. All right, and then what we're left with, and this is why I dislike my steer, Fergus, because like I said, he likes to spill the water there in that blue tub. And he makes a mess in here. It makes for swamp as it all comes back in to where they're standing, and of course they're in it. And this is the pile from all winter long. Kept it in here to compost. It actually kept the barn a little bit warmer because that is decomposing and putting off heat. And so I usually clean this up every morning and then put down whatever hay has been wasted and get some from the stalls and that to put in here to help dry everything up. But by morning time, it'll look like this again. But I don't leave them in deep bedding because it's too difficult to pick up. But that will next year go out on the pastures, or we'll use it in the garden and that, because that's good stuff. That's gold. All right, girls, you're in my way. You know this. Come on. Move. Move. Let's go. Yeah. And we got to clean up Rory's pen first. That cleans up his pen. He's all set. He's got hay for tonight, and we'll give them another feeding of grain when they come in, just to get them in here and they enjoy that. Fresh water. And now we got to clean up here in front of Willow and Fergus's pen, and then I'll have to get in there. Basically a mess. And we do this just in the winter time. We bring them in here so that they don't tear up. I have a sacrifice pasture that we put them on, and that will just be the way it is until the grass gets a good start. And then we'll go ahead and let them out, and they'll stay out. They'll stay on their paddocks until we move them every probably 3 to 4 days. So this is the only time they really stay in the barn with the weather and that. Right now they could be outside, but we really don't have that much grass, and it's easier right now just to keep them in here. All right, we're going to rake up some of this dry material and get it in here on the floor to help soak this up. some food. I'm going to get the hay situated in the pens so that the chickens will start cackling. Soften up the beds for them. Something I do. Come on, get down, girl. Yes, girls, I hear you. You gotta wait. Wait. I'm almost taking everybody into the apple pasture. If the sheep will go. They don't know how to get across the creek. It's amazing when they don't want to do something, they won't go across that little creek. You have to go up and get them and bring them around. I don't think they'll go through that mud that's there. There's another spring behind the corn crib. I'll go down and help her get them in there. Come on, boys. Come on, Brody. Come on, Brody. This way. Come on. Come on, Brody. Come on. Come on, Chop. Come on, boys. There you go. Come this way. Here you come. Now Mom's got you. Go with Mom. Come on, girl. Stay here. Stay here. Done. Yay. Okay, now we can head back up and let the girls out with the babies, as we don't want no more chances of getting any lambs. I don't know if we could or not, but it's always a possibility. All right, let's head up and let them out and watch the babies. They're usually pretty funny in the morning. thirsty, Bubba? All right, girls, now you can come out. Yep, you can come out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, now you eating hay? You've been yapping at me the whole time. Come on. Come on, ladies. Boomer, move. Come on. Let's go, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on out. What's up, Boomer? Boomer, get. She don't want you by her babies. Get. The same process. Everybody goes over to the minerals. She says, yes, you can scratch.
Oh! Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. No grunt.
Molly says, I'm next.
I know. He's so miserable. He's so miserable. Thanks for joining us for morning chores here on Thistle Glen Farm. We hope you like spending time with all of our animals.
Like a tidal wave, a hurricane.
Don't forget to like and share the video.
Like a thunderstorm, the pouring rain. It comes rolling in.
Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all on the next one. Take care.
Right away.